What's good, y'all? It is your man, Rockstar Nick. I'm coming back with another video for y'all. In today's video, I am going to be talking about cowlick and how to get rid of cowlick. So stay tuned for the video.
Alright, tell them they don't do it like the king do. King do. Homie, ain't nobody king you. King you.
Alright, y'all. What's up, y'all, man? I don't know how long it's been since I made a wave video. It's been a minute since I made one, but I appreciate everybody that stayed at the channel, that's still supporting me, that's still watching the videos, liking, commenting, subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. I scalped probably about maybe a month or two ago, maybe even more than that. Like I scalped a minute ago, and because I went back to Beehive, because remember I had the 540s, but I went back to Beehive. 540s was just not it for me. I was like, nah, I'm good. So I went back to Beehive, and I'm having issues, and I've always had these issues, like these spots here, these spots, and then it's real bad right here on my crown. Oh man, it's real bad. Like it's cowlick. I had a subscriber. Shout out to that subscriber. I'm gonna find out who name it was. Shout out to that subscriber. But he let me know that it's called cowlick. And I figured out a way that you can get it. It's super simple and it's super easy for you to be able to get rid of that cowlick. So we about to go over that in a second. But I'm gonna, hey, I gotta show y'all the waves, gotta show you how I'm doing. Don't judge my crown, because I know that's the first thing y'all gonna look at, but and don't judge all these forks in my head either. I'm getting to it. Y'all know how I brush, y'all know how my waves was. And if you don't know how my waves was, and if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming to the channel. Please hit the subscribe button, make sure you like, and drop a comment down below so I can know what y'all want to see in the next wave video or the next video. But if you're new to the channel, I'll show you, I'll pop up a picture up on the screen and show you how my waves was before. This is how we looking now. I mean, I ain't like, I ain't up there yet, but look, we gonna be on a journey right now to the elite wave. So if y'all wanna stick with the journey, I'm gonna be uploading these videos. Y'all can ride with me. We gonna get these waves to elite status. And if that's something that you wanna do, subscribe to the channel. That's all you gotta do. Let's get into how to solve this cowlick. It's super simple, super easy. I got it in my crown area. I'm gonna show you exactly where it is. It's right here. This spot right here. No matter how much I brush it, no matter how much, actually it does matter how much you brush, but I'm telling you, I get cowlick in this spot right here, bad, man, I'm telling you, super bad. So how I find out to get rid of it is super easy and super simple. You just gotta pay more attention to it. No, I'm serious, you do. You gotta pay a lot more attention to those spots, like those cowlick spots. You gotta pay a lot more attention to it. You gotta put this boy right here on there. This sporting waves in that spot, right there, in those spots that you having trouble in, I guarantee you will get it gone, get it together. But you gotta make sure you're consistent with it, because if you're not consistent with brushing in that one spot and brushing in those spots that you got that, that cowlick in, you're gonna still have it. So you need to make sure you're consistent in those spots. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to apply it, I'm gonna brush it in, and then we're gonna go from there. I just wanna bring this video to y'all real quick, show y'all how we get rid of it. Gotta get that crown together. Gotta make sure that crown together, so we're gonna go ahead and get this together. You don't need too much. a little light brush session. Ain't nothing too big. Like I'm just brushing around. I'm showing y'all exactly the way. If you're doing beehive, go in the exact pattern that I did, unless you want to do it a different way. Like I see different people doing beehives a lot of different ways, which is so unique and so creative. I've been seeing a lot of that on Instagram, and I'm always liking them pictures because that's unique, you know. But me, I'm sticking to it the way I like doing it. So, but yeah, we're gonna bring this video to an end, man. I was just trying to teach y'all, or make sure y'all know how to get rid of those cowlicking spots, but cowlicks areas. And like, if you like me, you get them a lot right here in this spot, man. That's all you gotta do is that one thing. Consistency. Consistency is key with waving. Consistency is key. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like button. Go ahead and leave a comment down below on the spots and the areas that you have a hard time dealing with. And yeah, if you guys got any questions or anything, please follow me on Instagram. Send me an inbox. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Will be in the description box below. And yeah, I know y'all like, where does light come from? Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, y'all. See you guys in the next video.